This song is for you tonight. I want to sing for someone who stole my heart here in Belgrade. You showed me a city full of music, laughter, and dreams. I tried to say Ljubav in your language, because that's what I feel. This song is my gift to you, my heart in melody.
Under the stars in Belgrade's night, my heart finds peace. Everything feels right. With the flow of the river, I'm charmed anew. In Serbia, my love, I'll always find you. Walking through nature,